This is a video presentation for Lesson 8, Build a Simple Circuit, in the Mr. Circuit Lab 2. In electronics, when we say circuit, we mean where electrons are flowing and hopefully serving a purpose. Electron flow can cause heat, light, electromagnetic waves, and so forth. We're going to talk about a circuit that will cause an LED to light up. What are the elements of a circuit? You need a power source, which is a source of electrons, and a conductor capable of having electrons flow through it. In our circuit, we have a battery as a source of electrons, an LED to produce light, and a resistor to control the amount of current. What you see here on page 8A of your lab manual is the schematic drawing of a simple circuit. The negative of the battery is connected to one side of an LED. The other side of the LED is connected to a resistor, and the other side of the resistor is connected to the positive of the battery. This is a simple circuit. Let's look at the schematic again. What are the schematic symbols we use here? You learned these symbols in Lesson 1 of this lab. We have the schematic symbol for a multi-cell battery. We have the schematic symbol for an LED. And third, we have the schematic symbol for a resistor. In looking at the circuit, we see that the electrons will leave the negative side of the battery and flow into the LED. Remember, an LED has polarity, so it has to be connected right in the circuit for it to light up. The cathode side of the LED, the side with the short lead or bevel on the plastic lens, has to be connected toward the negative of the battery. When the electrons pass through the LED, they flow into the resistor. Then they flow out of the resistor into the positive side of the battery. That completes the circuit. Later in this lab, we will construct this circuit and observe it in action. Right now, to give you practice drawing schematic diagrams, I would like you to copy this schematic diagram of this simple circuit onto page 8B of your lab manual. When you've done that, you are ready to move on to Lesson 9 of this lab.